At the moment, we're growing very rapidly as we enter the final sprint to launch our VoloCity services. This means that we're expanding in many areas of the company, as well as growing globally in the areas where we have committed to launch our services soon. One key challenge that has arisen is to find the best global talent at the great speed that we're growing. We're looking for people who are ready to take on the challenge of innovation with us and ready to combine their current expertise with our future-focused mission. People who see the potential for growth via feedback culture, regardless of their position. Staying innovative while agile in a highly regulated environment is a challenge in itself. People who stay up to date with the latest developments in the industry so they can support us in areas we may have overlooked. People choose Volocopter for the opportunity to work on something truly new. They stay because we offer people responsibility, learning opportunities, and ways to shape the spirit of Volocopter themselves. The most important aspect is continually attracting and keeping talents by fostering an open communications culture. I'm proud of the team we have already built at Volocopter, and I cannot wait to have more people from all over the world shape our mission.